Welcome friends, in this video tutorial we will learn how to find and replace our content which are in Excel worksheet. So we have table in which we have some data, but what if you have thousands of rows and if you want to replace particular row by any other content but you don't know where their row is. So you have to check one by one thousand rows and you have to find that particular row where your data to be replaced is located. So this is the very time consuming method and it is very dirty method to find and replace the content. But Excel provides very interactive and easy way to find and replace contents of Excel worksheet. So let's see how to find and replace content of Excel worksheet. So one command is given in editing options. So go to and click on the find and select. So currently I want to find my content in my data table. So I am clicking on to the find command. In find what text box you have to enter what do you want to find. So I want to find my date and click on find next. Now our cell is located at date cell. So this is our date and automatically our date is located when we click on find next. Now let's see find and replace option. I want to find minimum, so I will click on find next. So minimum is found at cell B24 and I want to replace minimum with capital minimum. So I am writing replace with minimum which is in caps letter and I want to replace minimum with caps letter. So I am clicking on to the replace button. So now small letter minimum is replaced with minimum with capital letters. So this is the use of find and replace. Now if you want to replace at many location at the same time, then you can use replace all option to replacing all the contents where you want to replace your particular content. So this is about finding and replacing content in Excel 2007. Thank you.